Hello and welcome, beautiful souls, to our very first crystal meditation journey. Today, we're connecting with the gentle, loving energy of Rose Quartz, the stone of unconditional love and infinite peace. So, whether you have a rose quartz crystal with you or you're working with the energy through this visualization, know that intention is everything. Your heart's openness is the most powerful tool we have. So go ahead and find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. If you have your rose quartz with you, hold it gently in your hands or place it on your heart center. Close your eyes and let's take 3 deep cleansing breaths. Breathing in deeply and fully, breathing in love, and breathing out tension. Breathing in peace, breathing out worry. Breathing in healing, and breathing out everything that no longer serves you. Feel and allow your body to settle into this moment. Notice the weight of your body supported by the earth beneath you. Bring your awareness now to your rose quartz. If you're working with the stone in the physical, you can open your eyes and connect with it, stare into it, or you can look at the image in this video. Allow yourself to connect with this energy. See its beautiful pink hue and feel a beautiful, loving embrace. Keep staring and connecting with the stone. Rose quartz carries the frequency of 528 Hertz, which is the frequency of love and miracles. This vibration is gently playing subliminally in the background now. Feel and imagine this vibration emanating from your crystal. Feel this loving frequency as a warm, pink, golden light glowing around you, maybe starting small and growing brighter and brighter, connecting with the rhythm of your heartbeat. If you're holding this crystal in your hands, you may feel it starting to warm up, maybe even getting heavier. Its unique energy signature connecting with yours, creating a bond, creating a cord. Visualize this energy, visualize every detail as clearly as you can. Its translucent body, smooth and glowing now. Turn your attention to your heart center, that sacred space in the middle of your chest. And imagine and feel this rose quartz energy connecting deeply and securely to your heart. As you breathe in, imagine drawing the gentle pink light of rose quartz directly into your heart space, filling it with unconditional love, self-compassion, and deep, nurturing acceptance. With every breath, this pink light grows stronger, expanding your heart, flowing through your entire chest as we release any old wounds, walls you've built, fear, and protection from giving or receiving love. Imagine this 528 frequency resonating through your entire body, through your entire being, and creating a wall of vibration all around you. A gentle hum of pure love, healing every cell, every thought, every memory. Now, let's amplify this beautiful energy. Visualize this pink light from your rose quartz becoming a radiant sphere of light surrounding your entire body. The sphere of love energy extends 3 feet in every direction. Protecting you, nurturing you, and sending out vibrations to attract more love into your life. Feel the energy connecting you to the universal source of love. You may get tingles, you may feel warming, you may even feel your heart chakra pulsating. As you connect to every being who has ever loved you. Connecting to your highest self, who unconditionally always loves you. And of course, connecting to Source, where the energy of love is always raining down on you. Allowing this frequency to attune every cell in your body to the vibration of pure love. Healing your inner child, protecting them, securing them, feeding them all of the love that they need and desire. Healing your relationships with others, creating those cords of trust and mutual love, and healing your relationship with yourself, past, present, and future, releasing any and all judgment. As we rest in this beautiful rose quartz energy, allow these affirmations to sink deep into your subconscious mind now. I am worthy of infinite love. I open my heart to give and receive love freely. I forgive myself and others with compassion. Love flows through me and all around me, always. My heart is healed and whole. Feel each affirmation supported by the gentle strength of rose quartz. Anchoring these truths in your energy field now. Take a nice deep breath in and out as we take time to express gratitude to our rose quartz and to your own willingness to heal and grow and connect. Expressing gratitude to the love that surrounds you always. As we allow this love to grow by leaps and bounds every day in every way, minute by minute, hour by hour, day by day, week by week, and even month by month, love grows all around us, through us, within us. You may sit here for as long as you choose, or begin to slowly come back to this time and space reality. Just gently wiggling your fingers and toes, moving your body, maybe stretching, connecting back with your physical body, keeping that beautiful pink light glowing softly in the center of your chest. You can return to this rose quartz energy meditation anytime, simply by placing your hand on your heart and breathing into that space. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling this love frequency vibrating through all your cells for the entire day and night. And if you have your physical rose quartz, take a moment to thank it and place it somewhere special. If you were visualizing this rose quartz, know that the connection you've made is just as real and just as powerful. Thank you so much for joining me in this rose quartz meditation. The love you've awakened within yourself today will only ripple out into the world in beautiful ways. If this meditation served you and you enjoyed it, please share with somebody who needs more love in their life. Remember, you are love, you are loved, and you are so very worthy. Until our next crystal journey, stay open, stay loving, and stay raising your vibration. Bye.